हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाला हूँ मेरी खुद की स्टोरी, मेरी खुद की लाइफ स्टोरी। और जब मैंने अपना पब्लिक स्पीकिंग का करियर शुरू किया था, आई जॉइन दिस क्लब कॉल्ड टोस्ट मास्टर्स इंटरनेशनल अहमदाबाद ब्रांच में। मैंने खुद इंक्वायरी की थी और ऑनलाइन गूगल करने के बाद आई कॉन्टेक्टेड देम एंड आई रिसर्च। और जब आप टोस्ट मास्टर्स का प्रोसेस शुरू करते हैं तो पहला स्पीच जो आप देते हैं वो एक आइस ब्रेकर स्पीच होता है। मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ मेरा आइस ब्रेकर स्पीच, जिसमें मैंने अपनी पूरी लाइफ स्टोरी को डिस्क्राइब किया है, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दी बर्थ एंड माय एंटरप्रेन्योर जर्नी, कैसे मैंने अपने बिजनेस शुरू किए, हाउ आई फेल्ड एंड देन हाउ आई गॉट टू दिस इंडस्ट्री ऑफ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग एंड मोटिवेशनल ट्रेनिंग। सो प्लीज सी माई वीडियो, गो थ्रू इट। छोटा सा वीडियो है 5 मिनट का, और देखने के बाद जरूर 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 कमेंट कीजिए आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा, एंड डू सब्सक्राइब एंड प्लीज प्लीज फॉलो अस। थैंक यू। Toastmasters,
Good morning.
and dear friends, how many of you have thought in your life to start your own business? Okay. So what's the one major reason? What stops you from doing it? Fear? Great. Fear is the one major reason that stops us to start our own business. Let me share you my own story. I belong to a middle class family with middle class values. I still remember a day when my dad used to take us to a restaurant and we used to order food with having maximum optimal value in terms of quantity and not taste and liking. You guys should understand that the return on investment rule was clear to us since then. I love to call myself serial entrepreneur. My first venture was, I started at 12 years old and I used to catch kites and sell to my friends and neighbors. I used to sell fancy pencils and erasers to my friends, adding my margin over it. It was not that we needed that much money, we were that poor, but always had that kida, the business warm, and always felt good on earning and being independent. Of course, my mom used to scold me for that, but I was brazen, beat, After my schooling, I did my MBA with specialization into entrepreneurship. Completion of MBA gave campus placement happened, got recruited into State Bank of India, but was not happy. Same monotonous life, 9 to 6 ka job, no excitement, laid back attitude, left it. 13 months. During that time, stock market was booming. So that attracted my attention. Invested money into it, made good profit, but then made a huge loss of 2.4 lakh rupees at the age of 23. I invested into Reliance Power IPO in grey market, Shatta Bazaar. Folks, I still remember that day. I went to my share broker, stood silent, and said, "Sir, I do not have the money to pay the loss." And he was like, he slapped me hard on my face. I still remember that day. That was my first life lesson. Since that day, for a year, I got my salary on 30th of the month and used to go and pay him on 1st of every month for the whole year. Then I did many businesses and failed. I joined my father's foundry, worked there for 4 years. That was against my will, left it. My next venture was with my wife, a fashion designer. She wished to open a boutique. Managed to get funds from government Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. Started the venture, but the same year, stocks did calling and I had to close down the business. See, if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. Then I started my dream venture, Boot Camp, the adventure park with some of the partners. Again, the boat did not sail smoothly. The partners cheated. I left the business. I was very disappointed. I did not know what to do. I was point blank, depressed. My friends and family started telling me, demeaning me, Vishal, don't do business. Business is not for you. It's not your cup of tea. Do job. I didn't know I was growing old. I didn't know what to do. I had a family to take care of. I didn't have a secure, stable, constant income. I took a job again as an English language trainer, 9 to 6, no excitement, but had to do it. Suddenly, I got an offer from my uncle who asked me to start an adventure theme park in partnership. I took the opportunity. My friends and family strictly opposed me. They say, don't even think of it. But the Kida, again, woke up. The passion that I had suppressed and killed reignited. And I again started walking on the path of my passion, my inner voice. I started the venture. Today that venture is known by the name of Bang Bang at Thaltej. It's 4 years old, running very successfully. Okay guys, did I tell you the bootcamp, my first venture, my dream project, that was struggling to sustain. I got an offer to acquire it back. Wow. I bought it. Today, guys, the bootcamp is running operational from 4 branches in Gujarat. With the goal to open 10 branches pan-India by 2020. Wow. Cutting long story short, listen to your inner voice. Break new grounds. If you have anything less, go for it. The path may be long. The path may be tiring. But the goal, the objective is peaceful, heavenly. Someone has rightly said, the only way to do great work is by loving what you do. If you haven't found it, look for it. Don't settle. Thank you. Welcome back. So you saw my entrepreneurial journey, and this was a small video. This was my first speech for the Toastmaster. Toastmaster is an amazing platform if you want to hone your public speaking skills. I strongly recommend that. And keep following me for your daily motivational and inspirational dose for your life. Thank you.